Hello everybody. Good evening. My name is Montaser Saifaldeen. I'm a software engineer. I have graduated from Sudan University of Science and Technology in 2017. I'll be here today to speak about IEEE Sudan subsection. I have been a volunteer in IEEE Sudan subsection since 2014. And after I graduated, I became a mentor at Sudan University Sudan branch. I'll be in short time in 10 minutes to speak about our participation in the virtual student and professional congress. So here we are. As we all know, the conference supposed to be organized in last August, but due to the pandemic circumstances, the Sweden section couldn't organize the conference. We hope these tough circumstances end soon, and we can organize the conference next year. So I'll be talking about our section, history, units, student branches, the event we have organized in a few years, and the events we are planning to organize in the upcoming days. So Sudan subsection has been established in 2011 by Prof. Sharif Fadl Babikir and his colleagues and postgraduate students. The subsection contained main office in Khartoum University and 6 student branches distributed as follows. UFK student branch and Sudan University student branch, University of Jazeera student branch, and Nilan student branch, Zaim al-Asri student branch, and Jordanian Sudanese College student branch. So Sudan University, Khartoum University student branch contained of School of Maths and College of Engineering, representing the technical part of IEEE, Electrical and Electronic Engineer, College of Engineering, and School of Maths. Sudan University student branch contains of Western Campus and Southern Campus. Western Campus, Computer Science, College of Computer Science, contains software engineering, network, information systems. And Western Campus, Southern Campus, contain electrical and electronic engineer, biomedical engineering, and electronic engineering. University of Jazeera contain of College of Mathematics and Computer Science and College of Engineering. Nilan University student branch contain Computer Engineering, College of Computer Engineering, and Information Technology, College of Information Technology. Zaim al-Asri student branch contain College of Engineering and College of Information Technology. Jordanian Sudanese College contain of Information Technology. Subsection accomplishment. In 2013, the subsection in cooperation with Sudan University and Khartoum University organized the IEEE conference, which is International Conference in Computing, Electrical and Electronic Engineers, which took place in August from 26 to 28. The number of papers published in that conference was 200 papers. Next, we have IEEE conference in 2015, which is International Conference on Computing, Control, Network, Electronic, and Embedded System Engineering. It was organized in cooperation with Amin University in September 2015. The paper published in that conference was 120 papers. Later on, in 2017, subsection in cooperation with Carrier University organized the IEEE International Conference on Communication Control, Computing, and Electronic Engineering. It took place in January 2017. Number of papers published on that conference was 80 papers. In 2018, the subsection organized IEEE conference, International Conference on Computing, Control, Electrical and Electronic Engineering, in cooperation with the University of Jazeera. It took place in August 2018. Number of papers published was 140 papers, and this was the first conference from university outside the capital. Later on in 2019, the subsection organized IEEE 2019 version, International Conference on Computing, Control, Electrical Engineering, organized by Mashriq University on September 2019, and this was the first conference organized by private sector university. The paper published on this conference was 96 papers. Also in 2019, the subsection organized the IEEE Entrepreneurship Initiative. It was a one-day event organized by IEEE Sudan subsection and IEEE Sudan branch, Sudan University Sudan branch. In 2019, despite of the COVID-19 restrictions, the subsection also organized a lot of events like Easy Hack. It was a problem-solving competition. It took place on 16 to 18 April 2020. The participants from all universities went together in a hackathon of problem-solving competition. Later on in April, in partnership with IEEE SIDE from IEEE Egypt and IEEE Sudan, organized the quarantine hackathon. It took place in April and it was the best hackathon in the region. And also later on in October, we will be celebrating the IEEE Day 2020 on the 6th of October virtually. It will be an event contain a lot of activities such as competitions and competition and sessions, technical and soft skills sessions. Also, we will be organizing IEEE Region 8 Entrepreneurship Initiative Round 2. It will be organized in 28th of November 2020. Later on, we will be supervising IEEE Extreme section now holding Extreme Bootcamp, which is a training bootcamp for all the participants to practice their skills in programming. After that, we will be organizing local IEEE Extreme between the participants and the Sudanese universities. We have now more than 113 participants and 15 team, and the registration now open. Later on in this year, we will be organizing IEEE 2020 version 3 International Conference in Computing Control Electrical and Electronic Engineer. Will be organizing collaborating with UMST, University of Medical Science and Technology in December 2020. All of this event will not be possible without the effort of IEEE Sudan volunteers. I'd like to greet them all from here. And we also have like 1 hour as a part of, as a participation of IEEE virtual Sudan young professionals at 8 p.m. Make sure you don't miss it. For now, I'll be ready for your questions. I'll answer it. If you have a question, say it out. So if we don't have a question, so I would like to say goodbye for everyone, and don't forget to be here at 8 p.m. to attend our session.